right, so the first one's talking about airlines. It says an airline restricts checked baggage to 80 pounds per person, which, by the way, in real life now, it's about 50 pounds per person is all you can take on, and they actually weigh it when you get on the plane. You pack one 42-pound bag. How much can your second bag weigh? Right, and solve an inequality. What have I taught you always to start with? The answer or the total. Okay, what's the total here? 80. 80 is the total amount you can take on the plane. Now, I want you to, when you do this, put in both symbols and see which one makes sense. Okay, so if I go with the first one, that is saying that 80 is the biggest number, right? Because it's eating the 80. If I go with this symbol, this is meaning that things bigger than 80. Which is true? The first one or the second one? The first one. 80 is the maximum you can take. Okay, so it has to be towards the 80 because that's the most. It's eating the 80. Can you take exactly 80? Yes, so I also need the line underneath it. Okay, now remember, this side then has to be the same. What numbers would I put on this side that would make 80? No, because I have to have a variable. Cooper. What is it? X times 42, X minus 42? Plus. Okay? Because this is saying 42 plus something has to be smaller than 80. Because it doesn't mean that's what I have to take. I could have another bag of 5 pounds. I could have another bag of 10 pounds. I could have another bag that's 2 pounds, right, Jenna? So any of those would be fine. And that's why inequalities, it doesn't have one answer. Okay? All right, now let's look at the next one. The next one says, at school, the maximum number of students that can be in a classroom is 26. If there are 16 students signed up for the art class, how many more students can join the class? So what number do I start with?
The total.
26. All right, so now put in both symbols and see which one makes sense. Is 26 going to be the biggest, or can things be bigger than 26? 26 is the biggest, so you want the mouth to always open towards the biggest. Do I need the line under it? Can you have exactly 26 students in the class?
Yeah.
Yes, that is okay. So we're going to put a line underneath it. What would be my other side here, True?
10.
No.
Wait, what?
Marilyn? 16 plus a number.
Which is 10.
Because it's not. Because it doesn't have to be 10. It can also be 9. It can be 8. It can be 7. It can be 6. You just have to have less than 26 kids in the class. That's what inequality stands for. That you don't have to have that one exact answer. Okay?